Good morning, friends.
Good morning, Miss Tina.
Today we are going to be talking about the letter E. Can you say E?
E.
And what sound does it make? Eh. Good job. So what you're going to do is I'm going to have these papers and I'm going to flip them all over. And I'm going to call your name and you're going to come up and you're going to pick your paper and you're going to say the letter, the sound, and the picture. Okay, friends?
E.
What is it? What's on the picture?
Sound. E. What sound E makes? Good job. So we are going to make elephant. And where is the elephant's face? Can you pick elephant's face? Yeah. So we are going to glue the face on top of E.
Elephant.
Good job. Keep it. Very nice. It's okay. Now,
It's again.
it's okay. Okay? Now, say eagle.
Eagle.
Good job.
F is for fun. F is for fox. F is for farm. F is for fish. F is for fire. F is engineer. L emo. L eel. Eggplant. Elephant. Engine. Egg. Earth. My name is Nisa. I'm 4 years old. Elephant. X.
What is that? Earth. E for earth. Good job. A word that starts with the letter E. What is that word? Emu. E for emu. That starts with the letter E. What is that?
Elephant.
One that starts with the letter E. What is that? What is that? Huh? I. E for I. E. What is that?
Either.
E. What color are you giving? Green. And what are you coloring?